Welcome to the Kitchen Daily channel. Today, I'll be sharing with you a simple, delicious chicken breast recipe that's highly nutritious and easy to make at home using common ingredients. First, I prepare 2 chicken breasts, about 800 grams, that have been thoroughly washed, then cut them into bite-sized pieces. Place the chicken in a bowl. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of sweet paprika, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I mix everything well to ensure the seasoning coats each piece of meat. These simple marinating steps make the chicken much more flavorful after cooking. Next, I turned on the stove and heated a skillet, adding a little vegetable oil, and a pat of butter. Once the butter had melted and started to smell fragrant, I added the marinated chicken and seared it until one side was lightly browned, then flipped it over and continued cooking. In the meantime, I took the opportunity to make some mashed potatoes to serve on the side. This recipe is very simple. After peeling the potatoes, cut them into chunks, place them in a pot of water, add a tablespoon of salt, and boil until they're tender. Back to the chicken pan. Once the chicken is lightly golden, I transfer it to a plate and set it aside. If this is your first time watching my video, please leave a comment below with a greeting from your country. It's wonderful that we're connected from all over the world. Using the same pan, I chop an onion, and sauté it until fragrant. When sautéed, onions develop a natural, mild sweetness that not only enhances the dish's flavour, but also provides plenty of antioxidants, which are quite beneficial for health. Next up are the colourful sweet peppers. I really love using sweet peppers because they not only make the dish look more appealing, but are also rich in vitamin C, which helps boost immunity. When sautéed, The peppers retain their light crunch and natural sweetness, making them a delight to eat. Don't forget a few cloves of garlic to make the dish even more flavorful. I season it with a pinch of salt and pepper, then return the chicken to the pan, gently tossing it to let the chicken blend with the vegetables. Next, I pour about 200 milliliters of chicken broth into the pan. Then add 300 milliliters of heavy cream. I stir gently to combine the two. Then, I reduce the heat to low and let the mixture simmer gently for about 10 minutes. While waiting for the sauce to simmer, the potatoes were already cooked. I drained all the water, then used a masher to mash the potatoes until very smooth. Next, I added 120 milliliters milk, 2 slices of unsalted butter, a pinch of pepper, minced garlic, and finely chopped green onions. Then, I mixed everything together thoroughly. The mashed potatoes are now very smooth, creamy, and have a light buttery aroma. They pair perfectly with the chicken and sauce. Back to the chicken pan. Once the sauce is thickened, I chop some spinach and add it to the pan, tossing gently for a moment until the greens are just tender. Finally, I plate the chicken and serve it with mashed potatoes on the side. This dish offers protein from the chicken, carbohydrates, and a touch of creaminess from the potatoes, plus some greens for balance. See you in my next videos! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.